In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send text messages, calls with Monday.com using Twilio SMS. 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you have a Monday.com board ready and a Twilio account with an SMS capable phone number. It also helps to have a phone column on your board for recipients and a status column you can use as a trigger. First, log into Monday.com. Once you're in, head to the board where you want messages to be sent from. This could be a sales pipeline, a support queue, or any workflow where a status change should trigger a text. On that board, click Integrate to open the Automation Center. This is where Monday connects to external tools like Twilio. In the search bar, type Twilio. You'll see the Twilio integration options appear. We'll focus on SMS, but note that Twilio also supports voice calls if you choose a voice-capable recipe and number later. Select the recipe that says, when status changes, send SMS to phone. This recipe listens for a specific status update and sends a text to the phone number stored in your item. After selecting it, you'll configure the trigger status, the phone column, and the message body. Keep the message clear and concise, and consider using item fields like the item name to personalize it. Short messages send faster and are less likely to be split. Next, you'll be prompted to connect Twilio. Enter your Twilio account SID, auth token, and your Twilio phone number. You can find these securely in your Twilio console. Only use credentials you control and never paste them into shared documents. Make sure the Twilio number you enter is SMS enabled and approved to send to the countries you'll contact. Now, map fields. Choose the phone column on your Monday board that contains the recipient's number. Use full international format, including country code, to avoid delivery issues, then compose the SMS content within the recipe. If your use case involves calls, you can explore Twilio voice recipes separately with a voice-capable number, but the setup flow is similar. Save the integration. To verify everything works, change the status on a test item to the trigger value you selected. If the message doesn't arrive, double-check your credentials, that your Twilio number supports SMS, and that your phone column values are in the correct format. That's it. You've connected Monday.com to Twilio, so your workflows can automatically send texts when your items change status. Keep messages compliant with local regulations, and always send only to contacts who have opted in.